Look at the separation. I love that. This is a can. I just put powder, pink powder in it. Oh, you want a dish soap, huh? Girl, I got you. I got you. I know it's clumpy, but you know what? It still works. I'm glad you love it. Thank you for adding, Danny, and everybody who has added so far. It's been a kind of a messy live, but I love it still. Thank you for helping with it. We're trying. You know what? It's better than anything. So far, we got panelin, pink panelin. We got regular panelin, a sueño, a dish soap, the spray that I added in the beginning. Is that happening? Is there a delay? Like really bad?
I think it might be getting new or...
Is everything good, you guys? I want to make sure. I don't want to keep going if it's not good, because I can always reset, or I can... No for you. This is the only one I cut. And then some of them are from Soapy Sunshine. And then... I forgot the girlie's name. There's a slight delay in sound, but it's not terrible. Okay. Maybe you guys just get out of your app and then redo it. Come back in. I know, baby, can I add ice in there? She said, do you want me to go get some? I know, I was like, when is she going at? She is live? Can you see the focus up in the house? She is live. Okay. I just want you guys to go over there and show her some love. If she is live, go put pink hearts in her chat. Because I did not know she was going live. But please, please go put pink hearts in her chat. Girls quinceañeras today. Even if you guys are, hopping to the end. That's gonna get my hands cold, huh? Shut the focus on live right now. If you guys can go put some pink hearts. Crunch it up.
Crunch it up?
Yeah. Just 1 cup. We'll see what it does. Sorry guys. I'm at my parents' house. This is our last can. We still have 5 cans. There are $2. But we're almost to 10K, and I'll add another can. The rest of them. Look it. Like, come out. Where's my powder? There it is. Where's my powder? There it is. Where's my powder? There it is. Anyone else is going live? If you go. If you go. One truffle and pleasure plate? Pleasure plate?
Yeah.
Hi, Invader Zim. Good? Okay, cool. Ooh, that actually feels really good. Can I add a Roma real fast? Yeah. The Romas are $1 because they're the tinier ones. So just remember that they're teeny tiny. ¿Qué pasa?
More ice.
No, I have ice right here. It feels good though. Ooh.
Do you want more? Just
Don't squeeze the other girl. It's okay. I'll add some powder on top. You're fine. Thank you for sending. Did you want dish soap on top? Whatever I want to do, go with it. Okay, you guys ready? Good for now. It's good now. Ready to help me clean this up after?
so much. Can
Is it cold? It is, but it feels so good. It feels really good. I don't know if it suggested that, but it's really nice. Hmm?
please?
I know that hurt people's heart right now, but is it freezing again?
Yeah.
It's lagging again. I want to reset. See if my Wi-Fi's on.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if I should disconnect it. I want to make sure. And I'll do this, I'll do the squeezes over again too.
See if it's better since I'm off of
Yummy, yummy,
Just one?
yummy. Give them two.
Ah.
We did it! Whispers, yes. There you go. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 30K for 3? 30K for 3? 30. Oh, you go too deeply if you can say something like that. I'm really sorry for your loss. You gotta really keep people who have loved you the most. Family, friends. I'll cut your orange for you. Who's gonna do all that? That is strong, but it's so good. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look it. Guys, look at the color. Wait, put the light closer. Oh, I got this idea from her. Winter green. When she was like, I add winter green to everything, I was like, bad girl, I'm gonna do it, but that's her thing. You know, she does the rinses. I'm just like, I love smelling it. I love the separation, tidy bowl, and what are you doing to my kitty?
Nothing.
That smells so good. I can squeeze in this forever, I'm not gonna lie. My love, can you get it out of my eye? It's in my eye.
How'd you do that?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. We're good.
You have to take a shower after this.
I know I am gonna take a
It's
shower.
on your eyelid, the powder, that pink muck stuff you make.
Mook? That's what I call it now. Mook?
So like in the crease.
I got it in my eye, guys.
Okay.
Thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much. Don't your hands burn? I sometimes use soap combinations and my hands burn a lot. Actually, my hands are not burning unless they're numb and I just don't feel it. But they're not burning right now. No, they're not. They're not. I promise they're not. If they were, I would tell my lovely, beautiful baby that they're burning and that I need my gloves.
Just more ice, right?
If I could make purple, I could. What?
So do you want more ice?
Oh no. I think it's gonna stay blue. I don't think there's any way for it to. I'm just putting needles. Okay, do you guys hate that? That when you're doing your, you know, you're putting it in, but you put it on the wrong side? No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. You looked at me
like that. When you're reading and you're doing that, what the heck?
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. And thank you for all the follows, all the love, and all the likes. I really appreciate you guys, even for staying. I know there's a lot of other people on. If you're live hopping, I love it. I love that too. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the fireworks. Babe, send me a galley. What the fuck? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I already bought some.
No, don't do that. I was just kidding. Don't send me a galley. I was just kidding.
I bought 14.
I know, but don't do that. I was just-
That's it. That's it right now. Oh, it doesn't do anything.
A chicken? Is that a chicken?
In my-
That is cute. Look at it.
Oh, it does do something.
Not a lot though. I promise you, it's not. It doesn't really. I love the small ones I can do. I like it. I do save. Okay. That just blew all in my face right now. Okay, bye. Just kidding. I remember Boca was on live one time and she like made like powder and then she put like a little heart and then she ended her live and I was like, I'm so sad. But the goodness. If we get to 40k likes, I'll add another can. What time is it, my love?
It is 7:06.
40k, I'll add another can. What time?
7:06.
Oh, okay, cool. How's Falca doing? Can you pull up her leg?
Yeah, sure.
I just want to see her live real quick.
She is currently dancing right now.
Let me see. Let me see. Bring it over here. Dude, she's such a vibe.
Can you tell her you said that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but she's hella dancing right now. She's in the vibe.
How's 1,000 Suds or Spuds?
I love her live so much. 10:07 p.m. for you. Yeah, it's 7 over here. She's a vibe, man. She's a vibe.
Spuds or Suds?
It's Suds. I'm gonna watch her live later. We'll play that. Yeah, go put some hearts in the chat for her. Honestly, she's a nice person. She's such a sweet, nice person. She's the reason why I started Clean Talk. I'm glad it's relaxing. I'll try to be more quiet. I wish I could do waterfalls for you, but toward me? Yeah.